It watches, without being seen. It waits, without being heard. A shadow in the dark. A breath in the silence. Some say, the jungle forgets, but there are eyes in the dark, that remember everything. In these forests, nothing truly disappears. Every sound, every scent, every wound, stays. Because out here, memory is survival. He is back for his revenge. They say a tiger never forgets its enemy. But this story did not begin today, it began with pain. This is not a random trap. This will lead to something far more dangerous. A young hunter, caught, not by instinct, but by man. Fear turned into rage, and rage into memory.
It's gone! The tiger escaped!
It didn't die that day. It learned. Some wounds don't heal, and a wounded tiger is the most dangerous one. A year later, the forest changed. Not louder, not darker, just more aware, because something was looking back. Not every hunt is driven by hunger. Some are guided by memory. He is back for his vengeance. The jungle doesn't chase, it waits. One moment, one man, one wound, is all it takes, and in that moment jungle was watching. He waits for right opportunity. Tigers can and will turn on those who have wronged them. They are among the most feared predators on earth. Revenge is a human word. In the wild, there is only instinct when human creates monsters. They call them beasts.